If you're confused about writing emails, then you can utilize Wikipedia for that as well. So let's say, for example, I'm simply going to say, my name is Pratik Pradhan, and I am applying for a graphic designer position at Qwen Design Tech Private Limited. Write a email for my application. So if I were to go ahead and then press enter right here, then it'll simply go ahead and say subject right here. So now I can simply copy it and then paste it out right here, just like this. And here's the dear hiring manager and so forth right here on, and then it got all of the contents right here, just like this, as you can see. So now what you can simply do is, let's say, for example, copy out as once this finishes generating, as you can see right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So now you can simply go ahead and copy this and then go around over here and then paste this out right here, just like this. And then you can go ahead and, let's say, for example, Mr. Nitan right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and then fill this out, and then you can see if everything is okay. So let's say, for example, I have 5 years of experience in that field and so forth, as you can see, and you can make the changes as you like, and you got your email ready. You can now add in your email, your phone number, and LinkedIn profile or portfolio if applicable, and send it out just like that. So that is how you can actually go ahead and generate out emails so that you can simply send it out without having to think much in proper format. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.